everybody. I'm Steve Hamili, the CEO of Sol-Up, and this is Jamie from Pineapple Pedicab.
Yes.
And we are celebrating a couple of wonderful events.
Called Dancing in the Streets. We're gonna have 6 stages that line the entire Virginia street that play all different genres of music. So we're literally gonna dance up and down Midtown, or scoot, or pedicab. Yeah.
Let's talk about some of the vendors we have here. So we have Sol-Up, of course, for your solar needs in the northern Nevada and all of Nevada. And then we have a couple of charities that we support. Come very actively involved with Volunteers of America, and they provide shelter for homeless and, most importantly, transitional, those that can't afford rent, that are kind of moving on in life and getting reestablished. There's different segments. We're proud to be supplying solar to them, as well as to contribute a portion of each of the proceeds for each sale that we make.